Hi everyone, welcome to Touch to Click. In this video we'll explain how to create tent cards in Word and show you an easy way to design and print them for meetings or events. Step 1. Start by opening Microsoft Word and create a new blank document. This gives you a clean workspace where you can design your tent cards from scratch. Step 2. Go to the Layout tab at the top of the screen and click on Margins, then select Narrow. Narrow margins give you more space on the page, which is important for fitting tent cards properly. Step 3. Check the page orientation under the Layout tab and make sure it is set to Portrait. This ensures the tent cards print upright and fold correctly. Step 4. Click on the Insert tab and select Text Box from the menu. Text boxes let you place and control text easily for each tent card. Step 5. Choose Simple Text Box from the drop-down list and type the text you want, such as a name or table number. This text will appear on the front of the tent card. Step 6. Click the border of the text box and resize it by dragging the corners or using the size options in the Format tab. Adjusting the size helps match the standard tent card dimensions. Step 7. Set the height of the text box to about 3.75 inches so it fits well when folded. This size works well for most table tent cards. Step 8. Go to the View tab and turn on grid lines to help with alignment. Grid lines show the printable area and make it easier to position your text boxes evenly. Step 9. Resize and position the text box within the grid lines, leaving a little space at the top for printing margins. Proper placement prevents text from being cut off. Step 10. Increase the font size from the Home tab and center the text using the alignment tools. Larger centered text makes the tent card easy to read from a distance. Step 11. Copy the text box using Ctrl+C and paste it using Ctrl+V to create a duplicate. This allows you to place another card on the same page. Step 12. Move the second text box to the lower half of the page and rotate it so both boxes face the same direction. Step 13. Click View tab, uncheck grid lines. This setup ensures the cards print correctly when folded. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Touch to Click for more helpful Word and Windows tutorials.